Hi, my name is Nate Scott, author of Life is Rich: How to Create Lasting Wealth, a principle centered, biblically based leadership program focused on personal growth and entrepreneurship, specifically addressing the cash flow danger that no one is talking about. The fact that 77 million baby boomers are retiring and facing a cash flow danger, and 66 out of 100 people age 65 earn less than $30,000 in retirement. And 47% of people say if they had a $400 emergency, they'd have to sell something or borrow money to address it. Let me ask you a real question. If your goal this year is to increase your income by $10,000 and your company gives you a 3% pay raise, do you realize what your current salary would have to be? $333,000. That's the math. Because 3% of 333,000 equals roughly $10,000. But here's what most people miss. That's before taxes. An earned income, that's W 2 income, is taxed at the highest level. So to actually net an extra $10,000, you likely need to earn closer to 14,000 to 16,000 more, depending on your tax bracket. Now let's bring that into reality. Less than 5% of Americans earn $333,000 or more. And the ones who do are typically physicians, attorneys, executives, high level sales professionals, business owners. So the real question is, if you're not in that category, how are you going to create real income growth? Because the system most people are in was never designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to make you stable. And stability today is not enough. That's why there's a different conversation happening right now. Not about earning more income, but about repositioning the income you already have. Because every household already has an economic system. It's just not optimized. Money comes in, it goes to taxes, bills, and consumption. And what's left is pressure. What if you could restructure that flow? What if you could identify where your money is leaking, redirect everyday spending, reduce your tax exposure, and create income through behavior, not effort? So instead of needing $333,000 salary, you build a system that produces income alongside your income. That's the difference. This is how a household becomes an asset. This is how you move from working for money to structuring money. Now, if you want to actually see how this works, I created a visual breakdown that walks you through the income structure, the asset equivalent, the tax advantage, and the simple model behind it. No pressure, just clarity. Text HES to 904 544 7424. That's HES to 904 544 7424. And I'll send you the full infographic directly. Take a look at it and then decide if it's time to stop working harder and start building smarter.